Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone.
My name is Gina Fozali with student ID number 192520557.
My name is Rajwa Naimam and my student ID number is 19251613. Today we will present our final project with the topic podcast, the internet and artificial intelligence. Thank you.
Hello everyone, welcome to our podcast. My name is Gina Fozali and I will be your host for today's discussion. In this session, I will be discussing an interesting topic with my guest speaker, Rajwa Naima. Today we are going to talk about the internet. As we know, the internet has become an important part of our daily life. It has changed the way people communicate, learn, work, and access information. However, besides giving many benefits, the internet also creates some challenges that we need to understand. To discuss the topic further, I am joined by Rajwa Naima, who will share their thoughts and perspective about the impact of internet. Hello Rajwa Naima, welcome to our podcast.
Hello, thank you for having me. I'm happy to be here and discuss this topic with you.
Great, let's start our discussion. Before we start our discussion, I think it is important to understand that the internet has become something that we cannot separate from our daily activities. From communication, education to entertainment, the internet has changed the way people interact and access information. So, to begin our discussion, I would like to ask you, what is the internet and why has it become so important in our daily life?
The internet is a global network that connects people around the world and allows them to access information, communicate, and share ideas. It has become important because many activities today depend on the internet, such as education, work, business, and entertainment.
There's a very clear explanation. Besides understanding what the internet is, many people may not really realize that there are different ways to access it. Could you tell us about some common types of internet connection?
Of course, some common types of internet connection are fiber optic internet, which offer high speed and stable connection, mobile internet through 4G or 5G networks, Wi-Fi, which allow wireless access in homes, schools, and public places, and satellite internet, which is useful for people living in remote area.
That's very informative. Nowadays, almost everyone uses the internet in their daily activities. In your opinion, what are the biggest advantages that the internet provides for society?
I think one of biggest advantage is the easy access to information. People can learn new things from online search, attend online classes, and communicate with others from different places. The internet also help business because they can promote their products and reach more customers.
Those are great advantages. Besides that, what are some internet services or applications that people use every day?
People use many internet services in their daily lives. For example, they use email for communication, search engines like Google to find information, social media to connect with friends, video conferencing platforms such as Zoom or Google Meet for online meetings, and streaming service to watch movies or listen to music.
That is true. The internet has definitely created many opportunities for people. However, every technology also has some negative impacts. What are some challenges or problems that can happen because of internet usage?
Although the internet provides many benefits, it also has some challenges. For example, misinformation can spread quickly because people sometimes share information without checking whether it is true or not. Another problem is internet addiction, where people spend too much time online and reduce their interaction with the real world.
I agree with that. Another issue that is often discussed today is online privacy. Many people share their personal information on the internet without thinking about the risk. What do you think people should do use the internet more safely?
People should be more careful when using the internet. They need to protect their personal information, create strong passwords, and think before sharing something online. They should also learn how to identify reliable information source.
That's a great point. So, based on our discussion, we can conclude that the internet has brought many positive changes to society. It helps people communicate, learn, and access information more easily. However, we also need to use it wisely and responsibly to avoid the negative impact. Thank you for sharing your thoughts and opinion about this topic.
Thank you for inviting me. I hope people can use the internet in a smart and positive way.
I agree. Before we end this discussion, I would like to say that the internet is only one example of how technology has changed our life. In the next session, we will discuss another technology that is also becoming more influential in today's world, which is artificial intelligence. So stay with us as we continue to our next discussion. So
Hello everyone, welcome back to our podcast. My name is Raju Anima and I will be your host for this discussion. In this session, I will be discussing an interesting topic with my guest speaker, Gena Fauzi Ali. Today we are going to talk about artificial intelligence or commonly known as AI. Nowadays, AI has become one of the most discussed technologies around the world. Many people use AI in their daily activities, even without realizing it. This technology continues to develop and brings many changes to different fields. To explore this topic deeper, I am joined by Gena, who will share their ideas and opinions about artificial intelligence. Hello Gena, welcome to our podcast.
hello, thank you for having me. I am excited to discuss this interesting topic with you.
Great, let's begin our discussion. Before we go deeper into this topic, I think it is important to understand the basic concept of artificial intelligence. AI has become a technology that influences many aspects of human life, from education and healthcare to business and communication. So, could you explain what artificial intelligence is?
Artificial intelligence is a technology that allows machine or computer system to perform tasks that usually require human intelligence. AI can learn from data, recognize patterns, understand language, and help people make decisions.
That's a great explanation. I've heard that AI can be divided into several types. Could you briefly explain them?
Sure, AI is generally divided into three types. The first is narrow AI, which is designed to perform specific tasks, and it is type we use today. The second is general AI, which refers to AI that can perform intellectual tasks like human, although it has not been developed yet. The third is super AI, which is theoretical form of AI that would be more intelligent than human.
That is interesting. As AI continues to develop, we can see its present in many technologies that we use every day. Can you give some example of how AI is used in our daily lives?
Yes, we can find AI in many technologies that we use every day. For example, recommendation system on social media and streaming platform use AI to suggest content based on our interests. AI is also used in healthcare, education, transportation, and business.
Those are interesting example. Could you mention some AI application that many people can use every day without realizing they are powered by AI?
Tell me some example are ChatGPT, which helps answer questions and generate text. Google Translate for language translation, Google Maps for route recommendations, Spotify and Netflix for personalized recommendation, and virtual assistants such as Siri and Google Assistant.
That is a great example. In your opinion, what are the biggest benefit of artificial intelligence for humans?
AI can make many tasks easier and more efficient. In healthcare, AI can help and analyze medical information. In education, AI can support learning by providing useful tools for students. In business, AI can help companies process data and improve their service.
However, although AI provides many benefits, some people are concerned about its development. What are some challenges or risks that we should consider when using AI?
One of the main concerns is the impact on jobs. Some people worry that AI may replace certain jobs because machines can perform some tasks automatically. Another concern is privacy because AI systems often collect and analyze a lot of data.
That is an important perspective. Many people also wonder whether AI will replace humans in the future. What is your opinion about that?
I don't think AI will completely replace humans. AI is a tool that helps people, but humans still have creativity, emotion, and critical thinking still. Instead of replacing humans, AI should be used to support and improve human abilities.
I agree with your opinion. Based on our discussion, we can see that AI brings many core opportunities and benefits. But people need to use it responsibly and consider its impact. Thank you for sharing your ideas with us.
Thank you for having me. I believe AI can bring positive change if it is developed and used in the right way.
Thank you everyone for listening to our podcast. We hope this discussion gives you more understanding about the internet and artificial intelligence as well as their impact on our future. Technology will continue to develop and it is important for us to understand how to use it in a responsible way. Thank you for your attention. See you next time.
Thank you everyone. Goodbye.